Find or read reviews that people are talking about Saker 12,000 PSI Electric Grease Gun. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Innovative 2-in-1 design, the electric grease gun for all your lubrication needs. Experience unmatched versatility with our upgraded electric grease gun, engineered from real user feedback. This innovative battery-powered grease gun seamlessly switches between modes to handle everything from agricultural equipment and construction machinery to trucks and heavy-duty vehicles. Say goodbye to manual tools or multiple devices. This all-in-one cordless grease gun with battery delivers professional-grade performance in a single, smart solution. High-pressure performance, effortless operation with a powerful battery-operated grease gun. Equipped with an advanced pure copper motor, this grease gun electric model delivers up to 12,000 psi and a high flow rate of 5.5 ounces per minute. Just pull the trigger for smooth, consistent greasing, no more arm fatigue or wasted time. As a true battery-operated grease gun, it reduces effort by up to 90% compared to traditional manual tools, making maintenance faster, easier, and more efficient. Ergonomic and user-friendly, designed for comfort in any environment. Built for operator comfort, this electric grease gun with battery features a 40-inch flexible hose to reach tight spots and a built-in LED light for dark workspaces. The included shoulder strap evenly distributes weight during extended use, ideal for cold mornings or long service days. Whether you're a farmer, mechanic, or fleet manager, this grease gun battery-powered tool keeps you working comfortably and productively. Dual rechargeable batteries, reliable power for remote jobs. Never run out of juice mid-job. This professional battery grease gun comes with two 2.0 amp-hour rechargeable batteries. Each fully charged unit can grease up to 8 tractors. Perfect for fieldwork, roadside repairs, or job sites far from outlets. This cordless grease gun with battery ensures uninterrupted performance when you need it most. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.